Hello guys, now we are going to discuss about cell to cell connections. Okay, how cell to cell connect with each other or how they communicate. Okay, so in this cell to cell connection, first one is desmosomes, second is our tight junction, third one is our adherence junction, the fourth one is integrin, and the fifth one is gap junction. Okay, what? Gap junction. Okay, this basically integrin, it act as cell to cell receptor. Okay, it act as cell to cell receptor. Okay, and then this gap junction, it provides basically chemical or electrical communication. Okay, and they are composed of, these gap junctions are composed of connect zones. Okay, now let's discuss something about these desmosomes and tight junctions and them also. Okay, now desmosomes, these desmosomes provide structural support to the cells, obviously. Okay, they provide structural support via intermediate filaments, MENTS, filaments. Okay, via intermediate filaments, and they are composed of cytokeratin and desmoplakin. Now the another one is tight junction. Tight junction. Okay, and this tight junction, they basically blocks intercellular movement of small solutes. Okay, and they are composed of occludins plus occludins and claudins, or plus claudins. Okay, now the third one is adherine junction. Okay, they anchor adjacent cells together with cytoskeletons. Okay, and they are composed of E-cadherin plus actin. E-cadherin plus actin, they are composed of. Okay, and they basically anchor adjacent cells together with cytoskeleton. Okay, now there are some like skin conditions that are related to these cell junctions, like cell to cell connections. Okay, so just write skin condition. Okay, so the first one is Bullous Pemphigoid, and the another one is Pemphigus vulgaris. Okay, So this bullous pemphigoid, it looks like bubble, bubble on skin, and they are a little bit red. Okay, this bullous pemphigoid, okay, they are like bubbles on skin and they are red. Okay, and this pemphigus vulgaris, they appear as like black, red, and brown type of skin. Okay, that look like very vulgar type of appearance, or it's like black, red, or brown type of appearance. Okay, so in this bullous pemphigoid, there is problem in hemidesmosome. Okay, problem in hemidesmosomes. And in Pemphigus vulgaris, there is problem in desmosome. Okay, desmosome problem. Okay, and these bullous pemphigoids is a type of like type 2 type of hypersensitivity. Type 2 hypersensitivity. Type 2 hypersensitivity. Same, this Pemphigus vulgaris is also a type 2 hypersensitivity. Okay, it's also a type 2 hypersensitivity reaction. Don't worry, we will discuss about this type of hypersensitivity in just like after few videos. Okay, then in bullous pemphigoid, IgG attacks, basically our immunoglobulins attack hemidesmosome. IgG attacks hemidesmosomes. Same in this also. IgG, immunoglobulin G, attacks desmoglein. And in bullous pemphigoid, the Nikolsky sign is negative, and in this pemphigoid vulgaris, the Nikolsky sign is positive. Okay, this Nikolsky sign, what is this Nikolsky sign? Basically, in this Nikolsky sign, what happened, if you like rub the skin of that person, so the topmost skin, okay, of that person is basically slips away, and the lower, when we rub the lower, like when we rub on that part, okay, rub on that part, so the top skin will basically slip away. That is Nikolsky sign. And if it slips away, the skin of that person's, okay, from lower layers to upper layer is slips away, then the sign is positive. Okay, basically in these persons, the skin layer joints become little bit weak, so it very easily slips away, upper layer of the skin. Okay, and IgG attacks desmoglein. These desmoglins, these are a type of basically protein, and it basically help to adheres, means to stick, okay, molecules, and it helps to maintain the tissue integrity and helps in obviously cell to cell connection, this desmoglein. All right, so that's all from this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment below, and thank you.